Hi, this is Guinea Pig House, and this is actually Dog House, but we just found the bullet escape from that tree house. But I'm actually really far away from that tree house. But we have a nest in there. But you guys can't see it, but shed's right in front of me. I'll walk right in it. So what happened? She's gone? I wonder where the other one is. There's another one. There's another one. I wonder where the other one is. I just wonder. It could be somewhere. Mama, the mommy bus. When are you guys left?